then logistics, in that order. I can walk you through why. Please do. Yeah, I've made my call. The second one, Prisha.
Really? Mark has the stronger resume, Ivy League 15 years...
I asked Prisha the same thing, and I knew exactly why she was in the room in 8 seconds.
Fair.
We're not hiring a resume. We're hiring someone who can walk into a board meeting and be understood. That's...
This is how you open it. Kasi gonna open the... So... Wow. You have to put this here. And that over here. So that's it.
Kalong na ko ha. Ha? Kalong na ko.
Last lang eh. Okay. Focus now. See, it's so big.
Kalong na ko.
Okay.
Creator. He is worthy of our worship.
This one. Okay. Katong iposa kung nagdagan. Then we need to brush it with butter. Across this one too. We need to brush. Okay. Okay. To brush it. Okay. Butter with the okay. Then we need to put some this one. Okay. Here. Okay. I'm gonna wash it with this.
Touch you. Interesting. But did God say that?
Model.
Sight. And we walk by
Kalawi.
faith, not by sight, right? And she was able to see it and go, wow, this is amazing.
It's
When she ate the fruit,
amazing,
her eyes
Lobster.
were open, she became spiritually blind, actually. Amen. That's how Satan works in all of us today. Johnny Chin,
Look at that.
gang member, tells me that. You did 30.